and welcome to my Hyper Japan 2019 video. This has been a hell of a one to edit because I lost all of my filmed footage, so I'm just using photos and selfies. So this was my cord from the first day. Here I am on the tube with my friend Sophie. It's a really beautiful photo, but I genuinely do not have many images from this con. We don't talk about my bonnet not matching. So this was the general con floor. It was quite a nice open atmosphere. I was helping on the craft stand, which is what I normally help at Hyper Japan with Jessica Flapjack. You can see this big pink staircase on the side. Everyone loved that. Here is a group of my friends who all came as different Sanrio characters but make it kawaii. I wanted to join in, I wasn't officially invited, but I decided to go for a Hello Kitty theme. I could not find my kitty ears and that really upset me because I definitely have some from H&M years and years ago. And we're on to day 2. I wore Tube-chan because Tube-chan is my favourite cord to wear to London cons. I get such a good reaction. Here's me sat on the craft stall. Yep, that's my face. This is the Japan Rail stand. And here is the Japan Rail. This is a girl I met who was dressed as a Shinkansen. She was also performing during the con. She also had a Shinkansen eater bag, and we genuinely met each other and were like, fangirl. Here is the mask I somehow acquired at con, because that's just the kind of thing that happens. And my Burger King from the way home. You can genuinely see I did not have enough photos for this. Anyway, thank you for watching. That was a whole 2 minutes of your life you'll never get back, but hope you have a good one. Bye!